Okay, good morning, everyone. Today's date is, I think, what's today's date? I think today is the 12th, or I don't know. I just woke up, so I was just looking into the markets right now, and I'm seeing what is happening on all the markets as predicted last week on our Euro AUD trade. Due to the weakness of last week, we got broke even, which is very nice. I will try to make sure that whatever we're doing here, we try not to lose as much money since we are trading price action and we're following the market. So according to my video of last week, I told you guys I've been riding a wave on Euro AUD for the past since January or February or so, riding this channel down. So whatever is happening right now, you guys should take notes. I believe most of you have seen this before. I gave this on gold the second week of February, if you can remember, and I told you that how many of you have seen this before. Like this same thing on what's it called, AUD again. If you check your AUD trade, if you check your gold trade, you see that this was when we were at 1807 or 1800. If you can see, everything that is about happening here right now is what happened on gold. So let me show you. Everything you see on any trade today has happened somewhere before. Okay, it has happened somewhere before. So generally, these people leave footprints for you to see, but because you are too blind, you don't see it. Are you getting it? So this is exactly what happened. That is happening right now. If you can remember this trade from last 2 weeks, I was telling you guys, I even drew it and I gave how it was going to play out. I told you guys this has happened before. Now this is what we've seen right now. So this is the breakout we've seen right now. So I was waiting for a retest for us to start going, but I'll start taking my position little by little right now, because if we go back, you can see down gold, we didn't get that we didn't get that retest to one to 0.6630. Instead we started breaking to the high. So whatever I'm going to do right now, whatever I'm going to advise right now is that manage your risk properly. Let's go back to the AUD USD. Manage your risk properly. Take your bigger lot size. You can see the breakout already, so we can start entering. So for now, I think we have about 666 60 pips. If we've left that trade and put instead, if we've left that trade and put I left this trade and I entered NASDAQ. Okay, I'm trying to relax because I think since last night I have entered a trade already on NASDAQ, and I'm in massive profit, but it's very, very hard to trade in this, especially when you don't have enough capital. So this is not just breakfast in bed. This is something very, very sweet happening to me on NASDAQ right now. As you can see, I bought NASDAQ in the middle of the night because of this news that is happening in America. The Silicon Valley banks collapse. There are some banks in Silicon Valley in California that are collapsing right now, which is why money is flowing to all these indices. That's why gold has been on the massive rise since last night during the Asian session. So let me show you something. I believe a lot of you traders, you just trade. You don't really flow with the market. You don't really look at the bigger picture. As you can see, this trade I'm having here right now. Like I told you on gold, have you seen this before on gold? Gold did something. Gold started, I think, 2 weeks ago, same way AUD USD about to start right now. And when it started, I drew this chart and I told you that since they as in it's bringing a lot of momentum, this was where 1820 is. Gold would come and break it retest, that's AUDUSD will come and break it. If it has that same momentum as gold, break it, retest, touch here. This is where we got to 1845. That's 0.70000, as you can see, which is very paramount. Now let me show you on gold. This is gold. This is gold. I've drawn this thing down for you before, so they usually leave footprint for you. This was 1820, if you can remember. And I told you that don't enter because it's gonna, don't sell because this might be a fake out. So same thing that happened on gold right now, which is 1820 you saw. So we are here right now on AUDUSD. So we just need to do a little retracement. So probably we'll be on the 1 hour on AUDUSD looking for that retracement. It might not get to 1600. So let's see what happens in next 2 hours price action and ride it up to what you could see on what's it called, and ride it up to this extent, as you can see. So if I go back to AUDUSD, all this market usually leave footprints for you guys, but you don't take note. So watch out for what is going to happen. I've just drawn something for you right now, so I'm gonna draw it properly. With what's it called, so we can start entering right now, little by little. If I let that trade to ride on Friday and put our stop losses here, which every normal swing trader is supposed to do, not scalpers, because of you have a very high lot size and very low what's it called, for a very low pips. If you are using a conservative 2% and left that trade that we're on that week, 0660, to let it ride, you would have been like 60 pips up right now. But it's not too late, thank God. I'm waiting for, now we're at the top of this rising falling channel, which is a, if you are a trader, you're supposed to know what this is. Whenever we are consolidating inside the channel coming down, is an indication for us to start going back up. And on the 1 hour, we have a divergence already. So and we're broken out of a W pattern right now. So what happens next? What happens next is that we are to at least come down to this place a bit, 16630 area, and enter to start going up. Are you getting? So I've marked out the levels we have for you. So these levels right now, these are first take profit 6,700, as I told you last week. I getting, probably do a little to support to this particular area, then come back here, break, and start breaking and going up. This is how this market builds. It never fails, no matter the event or no matter the circumstances. It never fails. So you wonder sometimes, how do I predict up to 2 weeks into the future? At least you are using a 0.1 on a $200 account, putting a probably a 50 pips stop loss from where we are right now, probably 100 pips. Even on your on your $200 account, that's $100 stop loss, which is far below this area, which is far below down here. Are you getting it? And leaving this trade to run for the next 2 weeks and giving you 400 pips. 400 pips is $400 on that $200 account. So why stress yourself? Trading and continue trading. So the most important part, the most important difference between this price action right now is this trade not breaking below this area, because we've broken out of a W pattern right now to the upside. So since if we are not going to break below here, this is an entry that will ride us to a whole 0.700. So why not leave the trade to run and take it that you've been trading every day and making, at least on your 0.1 account, you'll be making maybe $50 every day, 50 pips or 30 pips that you usually make from your other groups, making $30 every day for the next 2 weeks, and you just wake up and you make a $400 on this account. Are you getting it? So definitely, if you've seen this market before, just know that if you've seen this before or you've never seen it before, just know that if we break out of this channel you are seeing right now, if we can break out of that channel, that is an indication that this market will continue riding to the upside. The moment we are breaking above these levels, we are continuing this trade to the upside. So let me end this here for now and upload so that you guys can see how this market really works. These things have footprint. Like what is happening on GBP USD has happened on AUD. Like if you go and watch some of my videos on YouTube, I gave this trade there. I have a prediction on this on this AUD Euro AUD trade since I think since January or February, first week of February. And I told you that this guy has broken out from a W pattern. As you can see, look at this guy broke out and gave us a W pattern, which has broken out already, came up. Are you getting it? Then if you use your fib trend extension levels and measure this, you see that this market has done over, is going to do over 1,300 pips to the highs, which you can see that from here we are trending to the upside. And this is our take profit. Our take profit is at 1.6594 from where it is now, from 1. That's 6,594. Let me just say 6,600 minus 5,300. That's over 1,300 pips into the future. So from what's it called, 30th of January till probably ending of March, which is about 2 months on the dot, if you have entered 0.1 on this AUD trade, on this AUD what's it called, AUD Euro AUD trade to 1,300, that's 1,300 pips. 0.1 would have given you $1,300. Where can you make that money on your $200 account? So I'm not trying to convince you to be a swing trader, but this is how I take my trades and go and sleep, instead of involving myself every day, making money, losing money, using emotion, running emotions. As you can see, let me show you something. This is exactly what happened on what, pull out your 4-hour AUD trade. As you can see, you saw the triple bottom we have right now, which broke down and has started going. Let me pull it out for you. They have left footprints for you to follow all this while, but you are not seeing it. You are not seeing it. Same thing happening right now on Euro AUD trade. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the footprint? Look at it. 1, 2, 3, which came down. Now it has broken off, change character to the upside. So we are supposed to come back to retest this whole, what's it called, we are supposed to come back to retest this whole channel. As you can see, let me go to the daily, and you see a falling wedge that has been coming for the past how many weeks now. Are you getting? So where is our entry to the upside? This trade will give us an entry if we touch here this trend line and didn't break it, and take us 400 pips into the future. Are you getting? So you must look for quality setups like this than just entering trades and losing money. So let me stop this for here for now and upload. Don't worry, when we start classes, you guys will understand how I have been getting my analysis accurately 100%. Okay, so let me end this here for now and upload for you guys to watch. This is very, very, very key on how I trade the markets every day. Thank you and bye for now.